For our recipe, measure and weigh 500 grams of bread flour, 100 grams of sugar, 15 grams of salt, 150 grams of water, 100 grams of evaporated milk, plus 75 grams of cooking oil. After putting in all the ingredients, mix them thoroughly so all the dry ingredients are completely dissolved. I didn't add any bread improver here because the yeast we'll use is already 2-in-1, it already contains bread improver. What's great about Firmaipan instant dry yeast is it gives a stronger rise compared to other yeast brands, so I don't use any other brand. I've added 7 grams of Firmaipan instant yeast. Once the yeast is in, mix everything until you form a smooth dough. Para naman sa pagmamano-mano ay ganito ang gawin ninyo. Gamitin ang heel ng iyong kamay para itulak ang dough, e-fold ang dough pabalik, e-rotate ang dough ng 45 degrees, ulitin ang proseso ng pagtulak, pag-fold, at pag-rotate. Mahalaga ang consistent na pagmamasa, ituloy ang pagmamasa sa loob ng 8 hanggang 10 minuto o hanggang sa makamit ang tamang texture, ang dough ay dapat maging smooth, elastic, at hindi na masyadong sticky. Para malaman kung sapat na ang pagkamasa, dahan-daang stretch ang dough. Dahil kamay lang ang ginamit natin sa pagmamasa, kailangan natin itong ipahinga sandali para mawala ang pagiging matigas at malagkit ng masa. Once 30 minutes have passed, cut the dough into portions and roll each one into a smooth ball. After rounding the dough, cover them with plastic wrap and let them rest for another 30 minutes. Once that time is up, we'll make an opening right in the middle of each piece. We do this step so the dough doesn't shrink or spring back once we shape it. After making the holes, we'll dust each piece with flour. This stops them from sticking to the baking tray, which would otherwise pull and shrink your dough. Once they've finished rising, heat up your oil and cook them on the gentlest, lowest heat. This way, they won't get shocked by sudden high heat, which is what makes them wrinkle or stay raw inside. For our donut coating, measure 150 grams of milk boy powdered milk, 100 grams of white sugar, and 60 grams of butter, or you can use margarine instead. Knead and mix this by hand so everything combines evenly, until it takes on a light yellow color. Next, get your freshly cooked donuts. Wipe or brush margarine all over every side, then dip them evenly into the coating we made earlier. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you again for my next baking tutorial.